Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? K plus lean, clean. Sleigh plus T, slate. Clean slate. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again to our show. Please join me in welcoming back two very good players. The lady on my right won the game yesterday and picked up about $3,000 in prizes, including a holiday on the Isle of St. Martin. This is Ann Richards. Hello, Ann Richards. And my belated apologies to you. Although you have the same name as the new governor of the state of Texas, I referred to you as Ann Francis on yesterday's program. And Ann Francis, of course, a talented actress. You were very kind not to reprimand me. Thank you for that.
That's fine.
How do you feel today? Good?
Great.
You're going to face the same opponent as yesterday. So he's determined today. You have to watch out for him. His name is Jack Hagblom. Hiya, Jack. Wearing his Christmas finery. He wants to be a Santa Claus now and pick up some last-minute specialty items for those who are near and dear to him. And we have something very nice for your home. Take a look over here.
Cuthbertson, original Christmas tree dinnerware, produced on fine earthenware, designed in America and made by some of England's finest potteries. Christmas traditions furnished by Cuthbertson. Alex.
Way to go, Marjorie. She's not used to handling plates, folks. She's never been near a plate in her life. Jack and Annie, take a look on the board. We'll show you where you can find the Christmas dinnerware at number 19. In addition, we have a Florida spa resort vacation in this first game, Jack, and
Excellent.
you get to pick first.
Pick first. Well, let's go right for that spa resort. Let's try number 12, Alex.
12 is a good number. Betting ensemble.
Well, let's look for a match or a wild card under number 9.
Designer sunglasses. No match there. Annie.
All right, let's go to the bottom right-hand corner and see what's behind number 25.
Florida spa vacation.
All right. And a match for that behind number 6.
Video camera. No match, Jack.
Oh, we better search for a wild card here. Number 3. Ooh, green take. Well, I could use that for insurance. Let's try number 16.
Shower massager. Wow. Again, no match. Annie.
All right, let's look for that wild card. Could it be behind number 9?
Designer sunglasses.
And number 18, please?
No, that's a desk and chair. Jack.
It's got to be a wild card in here somewhere. How about number 1?
There are 3 of them, as a matter of fact. There's a red take.
I'm getting a lot of takes. And number 15.
Diamond and pearl earrings. Hello. I don't think we have ever gone this long without coming up with at least one match. Annie?
I think the red take was behind number 3.
No, that's the green take.
Well, a take. Maybe the other green take is behind number 22.
I thought 22, and you picked 22. Jack.
Where was the red take?
I know. Annie knows.
Well, let's try number 14.
No, but it may be a wild card. No, it's a video camera.
And number 6.
Video camera, at last, a natural match. And Jack gets the first look at the puzzle as well.
A little early, Alex.
All right, go again.
Let's try number 2 for wild card.
No, shower massager.
Shower massage. Was that under number 15?
No, diamond and pearl earrings. Let's see if Annie can make the match on the red take.
Okay, I believe the red take is behind number 1.
Right.
And the match for the red take behind number 22.
22. You were waiting for that one, weren't you?
All right.
I figured.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Video camera.
I'll wait.
Nice prize. Just gonna wait. Open it up. Select again, Annie.
Let's see what's behind number 23.
There's a wild card. Now, you've seen a lot of very good prizes. So that whole board belongs to you.
I think I would like some diamonds behind number 15.
1-5 for the diamond and pearl earring. The other earrings at number 7. What do you want to do with the take? Save it?
I'll save it.
All right. 3 doors opening up for Ann Richards.
Okay. Let's see what's behind number 20.
Wild card again. Well, you went for the jewelry a moment ago. What's it going to be this time?
Oh, let's see. I think I'll take a chance on whatever's behind number 4.
Number 4. That's the Christmas dinnerware, which we showed you at the beginning of the program.
That's good.
Matches up with number 19.
Okay.
You haven't made any effort to go for that holiday yet.
I've already got a trip.
That's right. You're going to the Isle of St. Martin. Now that you've got some good prizes up there, do you want to use the take?
I'll wait yet.
Okay. 3 more doors. Swinging open for Ann. Select again.
Number 13, please.
Designer sunglasses.
I think we've seen that. Would there be a match behind number 18?
No, I don't think so. That's the desk and chair. Jack may remember, though.
No, I don't
No?
think so.
All right.
I want that wild card and that spa vacation under number 21.
Bedding ensemble?
Ensemble. And number 9.
No, those are the designer sunglasses. Annie?
Okay, let's look for the designer sunglasses behind number 13
Right.
and the match behind number 9.
There you go. 3 prizes in your column. Could be 4 if you use the take.
I'll wait. I'll stay with still.
Lady's going to wait. You remember, of course,
I
that in
know.
recent games, a lot of players have been sitting here at the end of the game with those takes unused. 2 more panels opening up for Ann. Select again.
Let's see what's behind number 11.
Green take.
And the match behind number 3.
Green take.
I'll take it. Oh, great. Can I take it now?
Of course.
Oh, I'll take the video.
The video camera, yes. You have no room to store
Right.
this.
I can't store them. I'll
No.
take it.
So we'll use the green take now to pick up the video camera, and we will open 2 more doors for Annie Richards.
Is it sound as a bug in a rug?
Does it sound as a bug in a rug? Nope. But you get to pick again.
Okay, let's open up number 18, please.
Desk and chair.
And number 21.
Bedding ensemble. No match again. Jack,
Chair, desk and chair. Number 17, please.
choose 10 of your favorite novels.
Choose 10. Okay, number 12. Match that.
No, that's the bedding ensemble. Ann,
Okay, let's look for the bedding ensemble behind number 21
right?
and the match behind number 12.
Number 12 makes it correct again. Poor Jack hasn't been able to get anything rolling here. Annie is faltering a lot, but she's making the matches, and as a result, she could solve the puzzle and win this game right now. Go again.
Number 10, please.
There's still 1 wild card up there.
Was that behind number 25?
Yes.
All right.
Jack, all you can do is sit there, study that puzzle, try to solve it, and hope that Ann makes a mistake that allows you to get in and make a match on your own. 2 doors opening up now. Select again, Annie. There's still that 1
Let's
wild
open
card.
up the puzzle behind number 8.
Choose 10 of your favorite novels.
And is the match behind number 17?
Yes, it is. Hope is fading for Jack, but for Ann, it remains alive. Let's open these 2 doors. Try it again.
Number 2, please.
Shower massager. You've got a 50-50 shot right now because
50-50
there's a
shot.
shower massager somewhere up there and there is a wild card.
Let's see what's behind number 24.
A wild card. You're going to get everything on the board, Ann. Let's show her the other shower massager. It's at 16. Put the prize in her column. Open those 3 panels. Then we will show 5 and 18 for the desk and chair. You still have to solve this puzzle in order to win every prize we have in this game. Annie Richards, can you do it? Take a look. Jack, are you going to steal it?
Oh, I wish I could. I can't quite figure out that first heart.
All right, hands on your signaling buttons. I'm going to assist you. First of all, you can ring in when the green light goes on. First of all, we have the S plus the arrows pointing at the hound for sound. Woo, Jack's in first.
Sound as $1.
Is it sound as $1? Yes, it is. Come on, Jack. Look at all this. Woo, big, big win.
Here we have the S and the hound for sound, and ass down here, and the hay for as, hay, doll, Sound has $1.
Sound is $1. Well done. The amazing thing about this game, I believe, Ann, is that you had the first part of the puzzle figured out, but not the bottom half.
No, I had the bottom, but not the top.
You couldn't figure out the top either. Same as Jack. Neither one of you was able to come up with sound. All right, well, you've got one strike against you only, and that means we'll see you in the second game in just a little while. All right, Jack, you're going to get your first opportunity to play for the car right after this break. Jack's wearing his lucky red scarf. Let's see if it works for him right now as he gets his first chance to win one of these cars. We've swapped a couple of them since our last program. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you, Jack, and 35 seconds. Base time on the clock. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
Yes.
7, 9.
No.
10, 12.
No.
3, 12.
Yes.
13, 15.
No.
2, 15.
Right.
5, 9.
No.
8, 13.
Yes.
11, 5.
No.
1, 5.
Yes.
11, 14.
No.
10, 14.
Yeah.
7, 11.
No.
7, 9.
I was hoping you'd pick up that Tercel at 9-11. It didn't work out. And I think even if you had made the right selection there, the clock had gone down to 0. So I hope that makes you feel a little bit better.
Little bit.
Yeah, all right. But you, boy, that's great for a first shot. You're going to play again right after this. Our most exciting bonus round with Jack Hagblum. And now each of our players with one strike against them gets to play in this deciding game of the match, in which we have a lot of wonderful prizes, including this, although Marjorie's not properly dressed for it.
Snark's Sun Chaser 1. Roomy, high-performance sailboat carries 4 passengers, converts to row or motorboat. It's furnished by Snark Boats. Alex.
And on the board, we can find the sailboat at number 10. $600 in the cash pot in this game. A holiday in Acapulco, and Jack was asking during the commercial break, gosh, there were no bonus seconds in that first game. Nope, they're going to be in this game, game number 2. Very important for success in that bonus round. And you get to go first in this one.
All right, let's go right to the middle of the board and open up number 13.
Washer and dryer.
And let's see if we can match that behind number 25.
Cash pot, no match. Jack.
Okay, let's try for a wild card under number 7.
Entertainment center?
Entertainment center. Let's look for a match under number 17 for that entertainment center.
No, but there's a wild card, so you can't match up. Jack figures his luck has changed. The other entertainment center on the board at number 21. 3 panels opening up for Jack. Go again.
Okay, let's try number 3.
Chinese
wok set. Let's do some cooking and match that under number 24.
Green take, no match. Annie, back to you.
Okay, let's see if we can find something wonderful or a wild card under number 11.
Sailboat.
And the match behind number 10 for the sailboat.
Number 10, there's the match for the Smart sailboat. There it is, and here it is on the panel. Select again.
Okay, let's try to open up the board and see what's behind number 20.
Cash pot.
And for the match, number 25.
Wow. 25 is right. Well done, Annie. Jack's in awe, but he's just waiting for his opportunity. Open them up. Try it again.
Okay, let's see if we can find a wild card or a wonderful prize behind number 22.
Red take.
And let's find a match for that behind number 9.
Washer and dryer. No match, Jack.
Oh, I think I remember that washer and dryer. Was it number 13?
I think so.
Yes, and number 9 to match the washer.
13 and 9 adds up to 22. It adds up to a washer and dryer. In this case, let's see what happens with these two panels opening up. Keep going.
Okay, let's open up that puzzle under number 23.
Acapulco Holiday.
Got to match that. It's got to be under number 6.
Got to be.
Yes!
The other Acapulco Holiday that would have made it a natural match was at 14. 3 doors opening up. Try it again, Jack.
Okay, let's try number 2. Another
Wild card again.
And I could use a cake. Let's try number 5.
5
Oh, yes!
bonus car seconds. The other 5 bonus car seconds are at number 12. Jack says, I've got to win this. Yes, a great deal is at stake. Let's see what happens.
Is it goes to sleep?
Is it goes to sleep? No, it is not. Try it again.
Okay, let's open up number 8.
Green
There's a
take.
cake. And try to match that under number 19.
19? No,
No.
that's a woman's complete wardrobe.
Oh,
Annie.
no.
Okay, I think I remember a green take under number 22.
No, that's
Red
the red
take.
take.
All right, let's see if we can match the red take behind number 1.
Diamond and sapphire pendant. Jack, back to you. Whoa, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. Let's resolve this game right now with our assistants as we reveal. Starting off with number 1, 3, 4, 8, 15, 16, 18. Annie, don't hit it twice. You heard it. Look, it's... Give me a solution.
Close to you.
Is it close to you for a win? Yes, it is. Way to go, Annie. Yes. Come on, let's go to the board. And you get to explain it.
Okay, the close, and then the card with the number 2, and then the U. Close to you.
Well done. Congratulations. All right, close to you, Jack. Unfortunately, it didn't work out, and you had some good prizes, including that Acapulco holiday. We've got some prizes for you backstage. I wish it could be more. Happy holidays
Thank you very much,
to you,
Alex.
Jack.
Good
Take
luck,
care.
Annie. Win that car for me.
All right, you got the sailboat, and you got $600 in the cash pot. And you're going to play for a brand new car when we come back. After this. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. The last time Annie Richards stood in the winner's circle, she had a plan. Her plan was to start with all even numbers. She discovered that wasn't too good a plan until you start combining them with odd numbers. She is going to improve on her past performance today. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you, Ann. And the clock now with 5 seconds added to make it 40 for you. Good luck. Off you go.
2, 4.
No.
6, 8.
No.
10, 6.
Yes.
12, 14.
No.
4, 14.
Right.
15, 1.
Yes.
3, 5.
No.
3, 9.
No.
7, 3.
Yes.
11, 12.
No.
2, 13.
Yes.
5, 12.
Yes.
8, 9.
Nope.
11, 11, 9.
11-9 is right. Oh, Dean. It wins. Even numbers work. Tell her about it.
Annie, you just won this Ford Festiva L two-door coupe. Features a 1.3-liter electronically fuel-injected 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transaxle transmission. Furnished by Ford, a prize worth over $7,100.
$13,303. That's what you've won in these 2 games. Congratulations to you, Annie. Happy holidays for you.
Thank you, you too.
We'll take a break. We'll come back after this.
Some of today's participants may receive Nishika's revolutionary new 35mm three-dimensional camera. Uses standard color film, requires no focusing or special viewers, and takes pictures that come to life. Furnished by Nishika Corporation. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Well, some last-minute Christmas shopping for Annie Richards. Who gets the car? You?
Oh, I'll take it. Sure.
You're going to take the car? And you're going to enjoy that vacation on the Isle of San Martin?
Yes.
That's a beautiful spot. Well,
Looking
you were a
forward to
terrific
it.
player, over $13,000 for you, so
Great.
congratulations.
Thanks.
We'll be back with some new players on our next show. See you then.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.